I'm Wario. Hi guys, I'm Ryder. Today, I'm unboxing Amiibo Wario.
Okay, do it.
Nailed it. I'm nailing it.
I think it was the quickest one yet. In the grass. Oh, he purposely threw that one in the yard. He was like, that one didn't make it far enough. You got Wario open? Let me see.
What?
Let me see. Stay still. Back up. Freeze, freeze, freeze. Pretty awesome. Okay, back up, freeze, freeze. Let me get a better look at it. Hold it up.
Okay.
Alright, now stay still. Put it down and stay still for a second, please. Thank you. That is Wario out of the box. Sorry, hard to get a clear shot because this little one doesn't stay still. And he has his Amiibo Hunter shirt on by Pit U Vision. Go to his link to get yours, or his page. Okay, come on, we got to get ready to go out to see Age of Ultron. So, what do you say?
Age of Ultron?
Avengers, Age of Ultron.
No way!
Say peace out, guys.
Peace out.